Alright, so hi there everyone, and in today's video we are going to see the various design exercises which we will be practicing for enabling you to learn the skills required to clear the design tool test of Namune Enterprises. So this is the first exercise. So we have a barrel kind of a shape. So what we can do is we can create a concentric circle and we can extrude it to create a cylindrical shape like this, and we can then apply the chamfer at the ends, and then we can use the extrude cut feature to cut a slot in this like this. So the first thing is to open Fusion and click on the create sketch, and I'm going to select this particular plane and I'm going to draw two circles. And then I'm going to give the dimension. So the dimension of the outer circle is 4.4 millimeters. And then I'm going to reduce the inner circle like this, and then I will press T on the keyboard, and this is going to be 0.75. As you can see it here. I'm going to say finish the sketch, and I'm going to zoom out and select this particular face with the left mouse button, and I'm going to extrude it like this. So the length is 16 millimeters. So the length is going to be 16. Now click on OK, and let me save this as exercise 1. And then I am going to apply the chamfer. The chamfer length is 1 mm and at an angle of 30 degrees. So I am going to modify, click on chamfer. I'm going to select this particular edge, and then I'm going to select distance and angle, and the distance is going to be 1 mm, and angle is going to be 30 degrees. There you go. Similarly, I'm going to do it for the other end. By using a view cube, you can move the view like this. Again, I'm going to say chamfer, and I'm going to chamfer this edge. And it is going to be 1 mm. And again, this is going to be 30 degrees. And I'm going to enter an mill length of 1 mm. Click on OK. I'm going to save this, and finally we have a slot like this. So to cut the slot, I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to select this plane and I'm going to project this particular inner face as a projection, and I'm going to create two lines like this, and I'm going to press D on the keyboard. And this is going to be 0.5 millimeters, and again this particular height is also going to be 0.5 millimeters, and I'm going to click the line and extend it outwards like this, and again I'm going to extend the another line like this, and I'm going to close this profile like this and click on the finish sketch. And now I'm going to select these two faces by pressing Ctrl on the keyboard, and I'm going to say press pull, and using the press pull feature I can cut the profile like this, and using the orbit you can see how the shape is created. So this is going to be the first exercise. So let's go to the next exercise. That's it for now, and if you have any doubts you can answer, and you can post the question in the comment section below. And in the next video we are going to see the second exercise.